we have one of our icebox watermelons ready to go, the Sugar Baby. You can see in here, sorry, I'll try to get out of your light, but you can see that we've got a tendril right there that is all dried up. And that is our sign that we're ready to pick. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this and cut it open and see what we did. We already had one watermelon that we gave away to our friends Krista and Eric, and that one turned out great. I'll try to post pictures of that one also. But we're gonna open this one up for you today, so hope you guys are as excited as I am. All right guys, I'm in front of our other watermelon plant, our other Sugar Baby that we already cut off the one and gave to our friends. But I'm just showing you here that we got another one going right there and another one right up here. So hopefully we'll get 2 more out of this for this season. And we have our Sweet Beauty watermelons here, finally going on that plant. This one has 3. You can see that one on the ground and then that one right there. And then this one over here has 2 nice ones going. And just to show you here, we do have a new watermelon going, so that makes it even more important to cut this one off so that we give this one all of the energy. All right guys, the moment of truth. This thing's pretty hefty. This is a lot bigger than the other one that I cut. Oh, looking so good. Look at that. Okay guys, we're sitting here in front of one of our Sugar Baby watermelons that we just picked. We picked this when the tendril was all dried up so that we knew that this was ready to go, or at least assumably. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this open and see what we came up with. Wish me luck. Ooh, that was a good crack.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
It's beautiful.
Oh, so very beautiful. Well, you want yours in a quarter or
Just
you
give
want
me
it
a
in
chunk.
8?
Yeah, I'll take a quarter and I'll. Oh my God, that is so beautiful.
Here,
Wow.
that's
You
too,
sure?
yeah, that's too.
Too much to handle.
Yeah, just not as clean.
More delicate, delicate piece.
You can
of
have
watermelon.
2.
Thank you. It's
Ooh.
beautiful. Do you save your seeds for next year?
Well, this is the first time I've had a successful watermelon, so.
You might.
Look at that, guys.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Mm.
That's excellent. Wow.
Super juicy.
Very sweet.
Super tasty.